Hello, and welcome to Best Reviews. If you're looking to upgrade your home with the latest in smart technology, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best smart home gadgets of 2024, each designed to make your life easier, safer, and more connected. From intelligent security solutions to devices that bring true convenience to your fingertips, these gadgets are game changers. So, if you're ready to turn your home into a smart haven, stay tuned. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button. You'll find links to each of these products in the description box below. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Legrand Adorne 15-amp pop-out outlet, a game changer in modern home outlets. With a sleek, minimal design, this outlet stays flush with the wall until you're ready to use it. Just push on the panel and it pops out, revealing 3 plug-in slots for easy access. Designed to be tamper-resistant, it features a patented shutter system, ensuring your kids stay safe from accidental insertions of foreign objects. At number 4 is the Amazon Echo Hub, an intuitive 8-inch smart home control panel powered by Alexa. This device lets you control all your connected devices, from lights to security systems, with just a tap or a voice command. Customizable controls mean you can arrange the display to show your most used devices and routines. Compatible with thousands of Alexa-enabled devices, Echo Hub integrates seamlessly with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Matter, and other connectivity protocols, allowing you to control locks, cameras, and alarms effortlessly. In third place, we have the Govee floor lamp, a stunning, modern RGBIC Lyra, color-changing corner lamp perfect for any bedroom or living room. With its sleek, minimalist aluminum design and compact base, this lamp not only lights up the room, but also enhances your home's aesthetic. The RGBIC technology delivers vibrant multicolor displays from 16 million colors and customizable whites ranging from 2200K to 6500K. The lamp's 64-plus preset scene modes offer dynamic lighting options for any occasion, from movie nights to reading sessions. Additionally, the DIY mode in the Govee app allows you to create unique color patterns and share them with the community. Next, at number 2, is the NETGEAR Orbi Whole Home Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. Known for providing extensive Wi-Fi coverage, the Orbi system covers up to 5,000 square feet, supporting up to 100 devices with its ultra-fast AX 6000 speeds. It's perfect for homes with heavy internet demands like 4K streaming, gaming, and web conferencing. With a router and satellite extender, the system ensures a seamless, lag-free internet experience throughout your home. And finally, topping our list is the Google Nest Protect, a smoke and carbon monoxide detector packed with smart features for peace of mind. Unlike traditional alarms, Nest Protect offers spoken alerts, letting you know precisely where the smoke or CO issue is located. It uses a split-spectrum sensor to detect both fast-burning and smoldering fires. If smoke levels are low, you can even silence the alarm right from the Nest app. Nest Protect keeps you connected to your home's safety, sending alerts to your phone if something's amiss while you're away. The CO detector pinpoints hazardous CO levels and informs you where the gas is concentrated,